Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 5 from chapter 5 lines and angles. In question number 5, see the question, find the angles which is equal to its supplement. Same as we have done before in question number 4, find the angles which is equal to its complement. When the sum of the two angles equal to 90 degree, they are complementary angles and they are complement, each angles are complement to each other, and here the equal to its supplement. When two angles are supplementary angles, sum of the supplementary angles equal to 180 degree. So each angles are supplement angles are equal to each other. So what can I take here as a variable? Let, for the solution, let one angle, let the two equal angles be, you can write in this way, let the two equal angles be x degree each. Now as they are supplementary angles, so we can write that therefore x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now I can write that 2x is equal to 180 degree. I have to find the value of x, so I can divide both the side by 2. Now dividing both sides by 2, what I can get here? 2 cancelled. Therefore x is equal to, if you cancel 180 by 2, you will get 90. So 90 degree, x is equal to 90 degree. So if the supplementary angles are equal, then their measurement will be 90 degree. Find the angles of each equal angle which is equal to its supplement. Therefore required measurement of the angles equal to 90 degree. Understood? Now come to the next question. In the given figure, there is a, you can see the drawing here. In the figure is given. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. You can see that angle 1 and angle 2. I have used red color for angle 1 and black for angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 both are supplementary angles, means their sum is equal to 180 degree. If angle 1 is decreased, then what changes will take place in angle 2? Think about it. If this is not the angle, this is not the side now. If I am changing this side, and the place of this side will be, if I draw this one in this way to decrease angle 1, then what can you see? That you can see that angle 1 becomes smaller than previous one, what I was marked as red color. And what changes you can see in angle 2? It will become larger one than previous angle. As angle 2 was here up to this much, now angle 1 become smaller than previous one. You can see that angle 1 becomes smaller, this much only. So angle 2, you can see, if I change this line to decrease angle 1, we can see that angle 2 become larger one. So if angle 1 decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2? Now you can see it clearly now. If angle 1 become smaller than previous one, if angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 automatically, angle 2 become larger than previous one to maintain the sum of the two angles again 180 degree. Understood? So if angle 1 is decreased, then what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? Then you have to write that then in that case angle 2 will increase. Understood? Now in question number 7, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute angles? Question number 2 obtuse and question number 3 right angles. Can two angles be supplementary? Let us try with acute angles. Acute angles, you know that the angles which is less than 90 degrees is known as acute angle. Now in this question, if both the angles are acute angles, that means both the angles are less than 90 degree, both the angles are less than 90 degree, then their sum will be less than 180 degree, obviously. So if the sum is less than 180 degree, they cannot make supplementary angles. So in that case, two acute angles cannot be supplementary. Come to the next question, obtuse angle. When obtuse angle means more than 90 degree, more than 90 degree. Now, if both angles are obtuse angles, that means more than 90 degree. In that case also, both angles are 90 degree, that is both angles are more than 90 degree, and then the sum will be more than 180 degree. If the sum is more than 180 degree, it cannot be a supplementary angle. So, in that case, two obtuse angles cannot be supplementary. Now the last one is right angle. You know that right angle means angles equal to 90 degree. Angles equal to. Question number 3, right angles. Both the angles, right angles, you know angles equal to 90 degree. The measurement of the angles when equal to 90 degree, we can call them. The name of this angle is right angle. So when both angles are 90 degree, then they can make 180 degree, some 90 plus 90, 180 degree. So in that case only, if both the angles are equal to, both the angles are 90 degree each, then their sum will be 90 plus 90 degree, exactly 180 degree, and that means they can make. So in that case only, two right angles can be supplementary. Only in that case only, when both the angles are 90 degree, then only it can make supplementary angles. I hope this will be very easy for you. Thank you, students.